Proper assembly of your eFlow rapid inhalation system is essential for successful treatment. First, take the nebulizer handset. To open up the medication reservoir in the aerosol chamber, lift up the clip on the reservoir. There is a very sensitive membrane in the middle of the aerosol head. You must not touch this. Otherwise, the tiny pores in the membrane may become clogged. Hold the aerosol head by the clips on the sides and insert the two metal connectors into the slots on the medication reservoir. You will feel the aerosol head click into place. Position the inspiratory valve flush with the edge of the aerosol chamber. The two valve flaps must be lying flat. Please make sure that the valve is not inserted the wrong way round. The inspiratory valve must lie flat against the edge of the aerosol chamber, and the two valve flaps must also lie flat and be free to move. Push the aerosol chamber and the medication reservoir together until the opening on the reservoir engages in the clip on the aerosol chamber. Fasten the expiratory valve into the slot provided for this purpose on the mouthpiece. Attach the mouthpiece to the connector on the aerosol chamber with the expiratory valve uppermost. Attach the nebulizer handset to the connecting cord using the hinge of the aerosol chamber as a guide, and then roll the connecting cord upwards. Your nebulizer handset is now assembled and ready for use.